good day children. Beta, in last period we were learning chapter number 10 and I am hoping that everybody of you have completed till the question there I have explained to you. Okay, now beta, we have completed in that question number C up to A part, and now today onwards we are going to start from the B part. Find the average of first 6 odd number. Okay, find the average of first 6 odd numbers. So you will write odd numbers 6 only. 6 odd number. What will be? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 or 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So average is equal to sum of numbers upon total numbers. Okay, total numbers means how many numbers are there. Okay, so it will be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 or plus 11 divided by 6 numbers are there, because already it is given that find the average of first 6 odd numbers. So see that beta, 11 plus 9 20, 27 it will be, 27 plus 5 it will be 32, 32 plus 3 35 or plus 1 36 divided by 6. 6 6 ja 36. So what will be your average? Answer will be 6 and this will be your average. Okay, now see that C part of the question. Find the average of first 7 multiples of 4. Okay, first 7 multiples of 4 are 7 multiples of 4. Okay, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. Okay, I taught you no multiples. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 20, 24, 28, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 multiples are there. Now take their average. Again write the formula. Average is equal to sum of numbers upon total numbers. Upon total numbers. Okay. Now sum of numbers means beta. See that now. 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 plus 24 plus 28 divided by 7 multiples we have taken. 7 numbers are there. Okay. Now see that we are going to add them and then we will divide. Beta, if you will divide them, it will come 112 or divide by 7. Okay. So after dividing it 7 by 7, it will come equal to 16. Okay. So this will be your answer. So in this way, up to the C part I have completed in this exercise. Okay. Now come to the D part. Now see that beta, next question. Kapil sold mangoes worth rupees 300, 1200, 600, 800 in 4 days. Find his average sale over 4 days. Okay. Kapil sold mangoes worth means in first day he has sold rupees 300 mangoes of rupees 300, then 1200, then 600 and 800. We have to find that. If generally we will say, see what will be his average sale in these 4 days. So how we will do that beta? Rupees 400, then 4 rupees 1200. Okay, then rupees 600 and rupees 800. These are the sales. Okay, now average is equal to, always write formula first. Average is equal to sum of numbers upon total numbers. Sum of numbers means 400 plus 1200 plus 600, okay, plus 800 divided by 4. If you will add these So you will get 3000. Okay, 3000 divided by 4. So see that 4 7 ja 28 and 4 5 ja 20. 750 will be your answer. So if we will see the average sale, so average in a general we can say that average he has sold the 750 per one day. Okay, so this will be his average sale. Okay, now come to the question number E part. What is that E part? See that, find the average of miles per hour of a jeep which covered 4 5 20 kilometer in 5 days. Okay, distance is equal to how much beta? Distance covered is equal to covered in 5 days. In how many days is equal to 4520 kilometer. 45220 kilometer. Okay, so average distance covered is equal to total distance divided by the number of days. If suppose we would like to calculate in one day how much distance will it cover, so for that what we will do, the total distance whatever is given to you, divide it by the number of days. In this way you will get the average distance covered by the car or jeep or by bus or train, whatever it is given to you. Okay, so if you will divide it, so 4520 divided by 5. Okay, so it will come 904, and what will be kilometer in one day. Average it will go 904 kilometer in one day. Okay, now come to the beta question number F part. So see that now F part of the question. See that beta F part of the question now. Find the average distance per hour covered by Kapil in a day if he walks 75 kilometer in 5 days. Okay. Distance covered by Kapil. Distance covered by Kapil in 5 days is equal to how much? 75 kilometer. Okay, so average distance in one day is equal to total distance divided by number of days. Okay, so total distance is how much beta? 75 kilometer. In one day, how many days? He has walked 5 days. So average is equal to 15 kilometer. Okay, so average will be 15 kilometer. Okay, now come to the last part of the question, that is G part of this question exercise. Okay, this will be the last part of the question and you will complete up to here, G part. And see that beta, what is the part? The height of 12 girls of a class 5 are, I am writing them, 140 centimeter, 135 centimeter, 160 centimeter, 150 centimeter, 130 centimeter, 142 centimeter, 132 centimeter, 129 centimeter, 132 centimeter, 145 centimeter, 156 centimeter, 146 centimeter. Okay, see that how many? 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 11, 12. Okay, it is correct. Okay, these are the height of the 12 girls. Find the average height of this group. We have to find now average. First of all, you just write the formula. Average height is equal to sum of heights upon total number of girls. Okay, total number of girls. Now see that beta, average height is equal to sum of heights upon total number of girls. Okay, now see that we are writing 140 plus 135 plus 160 plus 150. Whatever answer will come, that will be also in centimeter. Okay, plus 142 plus 132 plus 129 or plus 132. Okay, and plus 145 plus 156 or plus 146. See that these are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, divided by 12. Why we are counting them? These are 12, so that any numbers cannot be missed. Okay, so if you will add them beta, so it will come equal to 1647. 1647. Average height is equal to. Divided by how much? 12. Okay, so it is coming. It will come very big number. It will come beta, not 47. It will come 1697. Okay, and if you will add and after division, it will come 141.41 maybe. It will come very big number, but only up to 2 decimal places we are taking, and you can write that approximately up to here it will come. Okay, so enough. So in this way beta, this exercise has completed, and all the questions we have done here, so you also complete till there, and till that next class we will start again next topic. Till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.